ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Hello everyone, welcome to World Education Center. My name is Kaushalya Majke. Today video is about advantages of studying MBBS in Kyrgyzstan. So there are a lot of students who choose Kyrgyzstan as their study destination for studying MBBS. So why they go to Kyrgyzstan and what are the reasons Indian students choose Kyrgyzstan and what are the different advantages. So let's know each and everything about studying MBBS in Kyrgyzstan and the advantages in this video. In case if you are new to my channel, so please do subscribe. As you all know, that channel of mine is dedicated to giving lots of information about MBBS abroad. So please do hit the bell icon so that on weekly basis we upload lots of videos about MBBS abroad. And in case if you follow my channel, I promise you that you get lots of information about studying MBBS abroad, and it's gonna help you to choose abroad as their study destination. So let's get started. The first advantage is fee is lowest in the world. The fee is, as you all know, studying MBBS in India is very, very expensive. In case to get into government college, students should score more than 600. In case if they score above 500 in NEET, they will be able to get some private colleges, but the private colleges fees will be between 8.5 lakh to 15 lakh rupees per year. That means here who's suffering? The students who are middle class, who are unable to spend more money and unable to get through private government medical colleges, and they are killing their dream of becoming a doctor on yearly basis and getting to various different courses. For them, I would promise you, Kyrgyzstan is such destination. They can study MBBS in lowest cost in the world. The cost will be between 15 lakh to 20 lakh. So 22 lakh. Some universities has 17 lakh. Some universities has 20, 22. Maximum is 20 to 23 lakh. You can finish the entire course. This is the greatest advantage where all the middle class students who can fulfill their dream of becoming a doctor. So in case if you are a student from a middle class background and you are unable to score more than 600 in NEET, and you are unable to spend more money on private medical colleges, you are unable to give crores of rupees for donation quota, then if in case if your budget is between 15 to 20 lakh, choose Kyrgyzstan. This won't be a wrong decision at all. You can still fulfill your dream of becoming a doctor and serve a nation. And the next advantage is 5 years course. Suppose there are a lot of students who actually repeat NEET. That means they would have given NEET in the 2020, they will still write in 2021 because they feel that they can give one more attempt so that they can do better and they may get through any Indian medical college, but they still don't get through. Such students, they already wasted 1 year. For them, Kyrgyzstan would be the better option because the course is only 5 years. If they choose any other country apart from Kyrgyzstan, like Russia, Georgia or Philippines or any other country, the course duration will be 5.5 years to 6 years. So here they can choose, they can actually save 1 year. So if you want to save one year, then choose Kyrgyzstan. The next advantage is very near to India. The distance also always matters. In case the countries are very near to India, if commuting between the countries, if you want to come to India for your vacation and all that, it's going to be easy. It's very, very near to India, Kyrgyzstan. In case if you want to, students can travel from Delhi, New Delhi to Bishkek, capital of Kyrgyzstan. It's just 3 hours journey via flight. So it's such near, like going from Bangalore to Delhi. Bangalore to Delhi is also around 3 hours. So if you're traveling from Delhi, it is just 3 hours. It's very, very near to India. And the cost of flight is also, if you book well in advance, it will be between 10,000 to 12,000 rupees one way. It is such low cost. Any middle class students can definitely afford to come back to India during your vacations, meet your families and all. So one is the fee structure is less, and the commuting between India to Kyrgyzstan is also very, very affordable. why don't you plan Kyrgyzstan? So the fourth advantage is quality education with good infrastructure. Oh, like you must be thinking, I mean, I'm talking about low fee structure and all that, and is there any, what do you call, compromise in the quality? No, not at all. So the universities, some of them are government universities and some of them are private university, and definitely I promise you, you get 200% quality infrastructure. That means you have a good infrastructure like university building, and what do you call, tie-up hospitals and the Indian hostels with Indian mess, library, laboratory, everything will be very, very good. So 200% I can promise you, you will get the better quality of education and the better quality of infrastructure. So all that, you will definitely find it very good. So don't have to worry about the infrastructure, and there is definitely, you're not going to have any kind of compromise. Just cost of education is less, so don't worry. So choosing Kyrgyzstan will be the best option for you for your education. The next is English medium education. The complete course, as you all know, the Kyrgyzstan is also Soviet Russian country. They do speak Kyrgyz like Russian. It is Russian, but they do call it Kyrgyz, as it is a Kyrgyzstan now. As you all know, the Kyrgyzstan, the name itself, some people think Kyrgyzstan means, it's a Islam country. A lot of people worry about going to Kyrgyzstan just because, the name sounds like, very Islam country, or they worry about the terrorism, or they worry about discrimination, or they worry about safety. And they worry about all those things. So don't worry, so you don't face anything as such. The Kyrgyzstan was a part of Soviet Russia. It's a Soviet Russian country, so they do speak Russian, and of course they follow Islam. They also have other religion people like Christians and all that, but still, I mean, their religion is only till their home. They're praying, or whatever they follow is only till their home. So it is not a social element at all. So don't have to worry, you're very much safe. So here the education is also English medium. So I was talking about English medium, then I suddenly moved to the social safety and also so I'm very sorry for it. So the education medium, locally they speak Russian, but still the education medium is going to be completely English. You're going to study entire 5 years course in the English medium. You're not going to study in the Russian medium or any local language at all. So the MCA coaching. So all the universities in Kyrgyzstan, they do provide MCA coaching. They call professors from India and they give you the MCA coaching. So you can prepare yourself in the university from the first year for your MCI exam. Once you have to come back and give it in India. Now it's going to be next one and next two. For your next exam, the university will give you the complete coaching so that you can prepare in the university. Once you come back, definitely you can easily give your exam. You don't have to waste any more time, and you can start practicing in India. And they also have Indian professors. The next advantage, Indian professors. The universities also have Indian professors, so it's very easy for you. I mean, as you know, as you have Indian professors, it's like, home to you all, and definitely our country people are going to help you, and it's very easy to communicate and you feel home. So having Indian professors in Kyrgyzstan is going to be very, very helpful. So a lot of universities in Kyrgyzstan also have Indian professors. And the next advantage, 8th advantage, is Indian hostel with Indian food. All the universities, whether it is Asian State Medical Academy, or Osh State Medical University, or Jalalabad State Medical University, or Kyrgyz State Medical University, or International Institute of Medicine, like this has been, I think you may be seeing a lot of ads. This university is being promoted by Sonu Sood. So this university is being promoted by Sonu Sood, International University of Medicine. And also, in case if you want to apply to this university, Sonu Sood will also provide you the full scholarship for the deserved students. So these are the factors which you also want to know. The people like Sonu Sood are promoting Kyrgyzstan medical education. That means the education is really good and the quality will be there. So nothing to worry about it. So you will have all the universities Kyrgyzstan are going to have Indian hostels, private Indian hostels with Indian food. So you don't have to worry about the food and all that. You get everything. All the Indian meals you get, whether it is North Indian, South Indian. So you get all kind. Of course, it won't be like your mom's cooked food, but of course, you'll have to manage with the the taste, all that flavors, all those things. But of course, in abroad, you will definitely get Indian food, that I can assure you. The next advantage is Indian coordinators with full support for 5 years. So all the universities has Indian coordinators, so definitely they will help you with, once you go to the university, they allot your hostels, and they help you, understanding the city and the country, and they take you to the city tour, and they make your medical insurance, they make your registration in the university, and they make your visa renewal, and whatever you issues you have, and they live in the university, and whatever the issues you have, and they will support you till 5 years. We are also there, of course. If you have any issues or any problem, you can always contact us, or you will have our contact details. You can just WhatsApp me also, so that we try to resolve your problems. But still, the university itself will have all the Indian coordinators. They help you through the course for next 5 years, and you don't have to worry about anything. The next is safety. So as I have mentioned earlier, the Kyrgyzstan is definitely a safe place for Indian students, and the students has to draw some boundaries wherever it is, whether they are in India or they are in any part of the world. Of course, they have to have some kind of a boundary, but the universities will definitely have CCTV cameras in the hostels and the university campus, and there will be a security 247. So all those security measures are taken by the university. You don't have to worry about it. And the people of Kyrgyzstan is also nice. They like Indians. It's nothing like they discriminate you or something like that. It is going to be a safe place. The next advantage is no racism and no terrorism. So Kyrgyzstan definitely doesn't have any kind of racism. It's nothing like the people of Kyrgyzstan hate Indians, or they discriminate you, or there is any kind of a terrorism. So there is nothing of as such. You can also search in the internet. So you will also try to find, is there any kind of such anti-social activities? Absolutely no. It is very much safe for Indian students. And the next advantage is weather. Of course, Kyrgyzstan is a landlocked country. That means it is full of green, full of mountains. It's very beautiful place. Weather is also very moderate. It is of course, it's a Soviet Russian country, but the weather does not go extremely minus. The least temperature is about -1 or -2. It doesn't go below that. So don't have to worry about weather here. So students who are from India, of course, they would like to go to your country in case if somebody has issue with extreme cold temperature, weather and all that, going to Russia or going to Ukraine is going to be not suitable for you, then definitely you can choose Kyrgyzstan. The Kyrgyzstan weather is not as low as other European countries, so you can definitely choose Kyrgyzstan. It's going to be very, very suitable for Indian students. So this is all about advantages of studying MBBS in Kyrgyzstan. Hope you like this video and you got some clarification and some details about why you need to choose Kyrgyzstan as your study destination. Of course, but you must be surprised as well knowing such in-depth information about studying MBBS in Kyrgyzstan. So see in the next video. If you want to study MBBS abroad, or if you have any questions about MBBS abroad or MBBS in Kyrgyzstan, please leave your question in the comment section, so that I will try to read all your comments and try to answer to you all. Or if you want to talk to me directly, or if you want to talk to our admission desk, please do contact on the displayed number, so that we will try to give you more information about MBBS abroad and different countries and all that. So please stay home, stay safe, and don't forget those 3 mantras. Wash your hands, maintain social distancing, and wear mask. See you in the next video. Namaste.